European Management Journal is a broad-based journal publishing papers on any area within business studies. By being a broad-based journal, I mean that all the publications that we have, they need to speak to a broad readership.
It is directed both at scholars, so it's very rigorous from an academic point of view, but it is also user-friendly for the wider practitioners in a number of industries.
The lessons learned from the research that we published are generalizable. So yes, it has this kind of global applicability, global relevance, preserving the European distinctiveness of approach, of theoretical approach and philosophical approach.
Scholars and researchers in the management field read EMJ to see what cutting-edge ideas are, and therefore EMJ has an influence through other scholars because it's being very highly read and highly cited and having an impact on the field.
It's a journal that is accessible to a wide audience ranging from management scholars who can find the latest insights from a number of disciplines, but also to people who are not so familiar with technical jargon. So we aim to be a journal that is user-friendly with the latest insights and also easy to read.
The geographical breakdown is very international and global. Our largest markets in terms of readership are Australia, the USA, China, and Europe. It is truly a global readership.
It's a discerning journal and it's focused on publishing research which is current and useful.
It's a multidisciplinary journal. Operations, strategy, there's marketing pieces there. The common theme is Europe, the European dimension, if you like. And sometimes it's that article that you weren't expecting to be there that is the one that actually stimulates the thought.
What we are wishing for is to actually provide novel contents and insights, both for theory and for practice. And that novelty provides the vibrant contribution that we strive to achieve for the readership.
So for us and for our readers, one of the key points for reading the European Management Journal is that all our papers make an original contribution to new knowledge. So these papers are taking knowledge within a given field one step further.
EMJ publishes a diverse range of articles. First, we publish conceptual articles with an emphasis on theory development. Second, we publish empirical papers from a diverse set of disciplines ranging from accounting to strategy, organizational behavior, marketing, HR. And third, we publish papers that are interdisciplinary in nature, and we do encourage people from different sciences and departments to work together because this is something that produces very unique insights.
Yes, you should be able to come from another area under management and get something out of these papers because they're current to what's happening in Europe.
Being that broad-based journal, which can publish any kind of generalizable contribution within business and management, and then at the same time having that critical focus which comes from the European tradition. And basically that journal in that sense is a very modern, innovative scholarly journal, but still rooted in the tradition of the European Enlightenment.
I think the journal can expect to have its impact factor increase again as we continue being selective in the papers that we publish, and we're always working towards improving our publishing service towards authors and editors. So all in all, the standard of the journal is improving all the time.
I would say that our journal could be very attractive both from seasoned researchers, but also for new researchers who might want to send us their best piece because of the impact factor and the wide readership of EMJ.
We have full marks for our publishing services, which is how we look after authors on the whole way through the process.
Our editorial staff are there to assist, to help, to guide. We are very keen to work with our contributors We start from the premise of you have something interesting to say, can we help you get it out there?
I see that the current crop of things that have been published in the past couple of years are going to attract more and more attention because people are going to be recognizing it as a high quality journal, and I see the quality, therefore, of submissions improving in the future, and therefore our impact on the management field improving in the future.
We want to be noticed and known for publishing good quality research, for attracting readership, attracting good authors.
The next step for us is to becoming recognized as a flagship international journal, whereby all top scholars in the world will see the journal as being a natural home for their best papers.